This 20-ton automatic hydraulic press is specially designed for minting factory who need to mass-produce small-weight gold and silver coins or bars from 1 to 5 grams. Equipped with an automatic feeding and discharging system, it significantly reduces manual labor. Let's take a look at its key features. Integrated mold minimizes mold replacement time and supports multiple coin designs, ideal for minting factory with diverse needs. Combine blanking and minting. One machine handles sheet blanking and minting in a single cycle, greatly saving time and cost. Fully automated operation. Motor-driven system completes feeding, blanking, minting, and discharging automatically. Speed up to 20 PSC per minute without manual involvement. Self-developed PLC system remembers all mold minting parameters, allowing for immediate operation after mold change without readjustment, significantly boosting efficiency. 3 operation modes: manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic options provide flexibility for different production environments. With advanced features and high efficiency, this 20-ton automatic hydraulic press is an ideal solution for small to medium-sized minting factory. If you're interested, feel free to contact us.